It's July 24th. This is the broadwing that I'm hacking out. Uh-oh. That's not a good sound. See, right in the middle. He's missing 4. Dang. Oh, for heaven's sakes. I heard a big noise outside while I was feeding the hawk, and I think he could be the reason. I think I know what happened. Here's our little rehab patient, hit by a car. He looks so good. I'm going to put some food over here for him. He can pull food now. Remember, this was the one that his jaw was out of whack, and his left eye was messed up, his left wing, his whole left side hurt. But you can see now he's, you look for symmetry, so he's holding those wings just beautifully. So I'll be calling the Good Samaritan in a few days and figure out which day. This is one thing I like to do, and obviously since this is an adult, it needs to go back to where it came from. But what I like to do is include the Good Samaritan on the release. And that's just a little thank you for caring, because you know they go to a lot of trouble to do this, and it's really frustrating for a lot of people, and they get mad about it and wish they'd just left the bird on the side of the road and blah 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 blah. But anyway, we'll schedule a release for one day next week. Alright, you go have your lunch. Mr. Man. He's my old man. He's 24 and a half. I love you. You. She's a little girl. Hey, you. Hey, you. You want some supper? You want some chop-chop? She says, just give it here. Why don't you? No, goodness. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Yes, I will. I'm gonna get it. She has taken her bracelet off, so I gotta nose around and find that. What? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get that butt. I'm gonna get that butt. Here we go. There we go. All right. There's little Daryl. There's Daryl. Hey, you. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Daryl. What you doing? What? Meow, he says. go down the trail. Come on, let's go. There's Dobby and Daryl. Little sweeties. Say, who needs a GoPro? Alright, Yells. Well, it's been 3 days, and this is the only one that's come back, and it's at the end of the day. And he's not even hungry. He's not even coming to the hack board, which tells me that they've figured out how to catch their fish and frogs, and they're dispersing. And this is about 6 weeks post-release, and it's my empty nest thing that I'm going through. Sometimes it takes longer for the light to come on than in other seasons, but these guys have caught on really quickly, and there are all these little lakes and ponds and stuff, and when he just went over my head, I wish you could feel the rush of wind from that. You can see the ripples of the water. That's how powerful their wings are. It's awesome. So you could see, you couldn't feel it, but you could see the wing power. It's incredible. So they figured out what to do, and they're just slowly dispersing. And I'm sad, I go through that empty nest thing, every year. But then, about mid-April, the following year, I get to do it all over again.